Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is videos about mostly for the beginners how to apply the eyeshadow. First you have to prime your eyelid with any of your favorite concealer and set this concealer properly up and down, then leave it for 2 minutes. Or if you have this fan, so that is very good idea to use this fan. Now you can use any compact powder to fix your eyelid. Now I'm using this tape for the sharp eye look. So now I'm taking this fluffy brush and I'm going to apply the lighter shade all over my lid. When you are applying the eyeshadows, make sure you are writing O or 0 on your eyelid. 0 0 0 0 like this. Your eyeshadow will be nicely blending. If your eyeshadow is blend nicely, so whole day it will last. When you're satisfied with your eyeshadow, so you can take the darker shade and you can only apply on your crease line. Make sure this is the crease line. This is the crease line. You don't go up to this. So only apply the darker shade on your crease line and nicely blend it. After that, you can take the same brush and blend it properly. So blend it properly so you cannot see any harsh line. After that, you can apply the shimmer. Every palette has a shimmer. Only inner corner you can apply any shimmer or glitter, so you can see your eye will look nice and big. So you can now you can fix your eyeshadow with the same brush with the shimmer, and take an angular brush and you can fix your lower eyelash line also. Don't forget to work on your lower lash line to complete your eye look. Now you can take the eyeliner. If you feel your eyeliner is dry, you can dip your brush in the water. I also did the same technique. Now I like the wing eyeliner, so I apply the wing eyeliner. Now I'm removing the tape. You see the eyeshadow is looking sharp. I'm cleaning my face with the same concealer. I can feel like my lower lash line is not matched with the upper, so I'm using the black eyeshadow to complete my eye look. So I'm applying all over my lower lash line, and inside the eye I'm using the white eye pencil because I feel like it's make my eye white and big. You can apply the black also. Now you can use your favorite mascara. I'm also applying the mascara up and down equally. So yeah, here you go, my eye look is done. I hope you like this easy makeup eye look. So thanks for watching my video. Thank you so much, and bye bye.